Hello everyone, it's me Mohammad Safla Khan. With due respect, I just want to say life is too short to love. I wonder how people find time to hate. It is our time to love those who love us. Even though those people who hate us, we definitely do not want to spoil their life. We have to counter down them through love to investigate what are the pains, what are the points due to which they are jealous from us. By bringing all that those kind of things in life, we can enlighten our lives and their lives. Life is all about being unique, being energetic, be always motivating to not only yourself but to the others. By your positive thinking, by your positive soul that brings, that enlighten every heart that brings peace towards positivity and vanish all the kind of negativity. It is important that we believe on our own self control, on self determination. Life is not about how to weaker yourself by if in every day, in every moment, every time in life. Every day from the day till night there are a lot of disappointments. More than appointments of positivity, we got more than negativity. But the person who can change his destiny by taking every negativity as a lesson, not make not take negativity bigger than your positivity, because positivity is like a light. I give you an example of a dark room. In a dark room, when there is a little light, when you enlighten a little light, it will bring whole kind of concentration, and all kind of darkness will be vanished by that little light. It is we all are that light. Whatever we have positive in ourselves, we have to bring them to the people, to the audience, to everyone who is around us. And it is how what we contribute to the world, to the humanity, is that we can change them through our experience, through the other people, whatever we read, whatever we write, whatever we can put changes to their life. If we not change their life, it is our duty to change their life by understanding their pain, by understanding their problem, and to bring out of them to their problem. Because if we not motivate them, then who will motivate them? We humans are a kind of a unit. We all are made from a sand, and when that this earth is made of sand. It's all its ingredient is sand, and on which we all, our body is full of sand. And the way we are created from sand. The place where any place there is a problem on, like you can say, then when there is inequality, injustice on any part of the land, the other land was also feel the same pain. Like that, we are the humans who are born in the same land. The same problem situation goes with us when any person who is close to us or not close to us feel a pain. We have to feel it completely by involving it, but not by resolving it. If you cannot resolve it, give motivation. Finish its pain. Finish the way. If anybody is unhappy in his life, or always talk about hopeless, not be hopeless. Be always hopeful. Hopeful for the day, for the moment when God brings change into your life. If the life will never, if the life is not settling down, it means that it will settle down one day. Because who created you, who gives you every day, you cannot sleep without food. Who is bringing you this food? Who the power, the supernatural power which we say God, we all believe in Him, that He is the master of all our universe. So we have to respect this, and we have to counter down through our positivity by neglecting all negativity from all aspects of our lives, whether in education, whether in job, whether in entertainment industry, whether in news industry, whether in whatever you have in the problem, in cement factories, whatever you feel, the life is all about spotting towards the wrong judgments. We have to be a great people. We have to be a positive people. Use your internet, use your mind, use your soul to put change in the other people's life, because life is always bring, because I want to tell you this, that do not take anything negative or positive, just experience it. Whatever God give you ability, passes it, and do not live in past, learn from past, and make your present positive, and do not think always about future, what happened in future. Lives in present, because present is everything, and we all live in present, because if we do not live in present, we cannot be succeed in our life. My message is to give you all kind of positive aspects of countering kind of ability, that you can do positive things into your life, and be happy, be relaxed, whatever in life you have, because life is too short. We all died one day. So whatever God gives us our precious time, make it positive, not only for yourself but for the others. Not spoil it, because if you spoil it, you know it is nothing than living in a dead cell. While you're living in a life, how many people who want to live a healthy life, but due to certain disease, they cannot live. So learn from them. Even in people who are in disease, they are motivated to work for the humanity, for the kind people. There are so many people in our lives, so we have to learn from them. If they are mostly people in diabetes nowadays are working for the humanity. They are not thinking about their own life. Because they work like an energy for the people to motivate. So what we are guys to do? We have to motivate our people. We have to motivate our students. We have to motivate our people to do whatever ability God gives them. Make it into a sense, into some positive way, so that they can learn, they can listen, and they can be a more kind of a potential share to the people of our planet, so that we can enlighten the life of those who are enlightening life of them. So God bless you all, and for me, goodbye to all. Love yourself, love humanity. Bye.